Success is never born overnight, and no one proves this better than Jack Ma, the man who went from countless failures to building Alibaba, one of the world's largest business empires. But his story is not about instant victory. It is about rejection, about humiliation, about falling down again and again, and still rising stronger every single time. Early struggles. Jack Ma was born in Hangzhou, China. From a very young age, he faced difficulties. He was not good at math. He failed many exams in school. Even in his university entrance test, he failed not once, not twice, but 3 times. Imagine that. Most people give up after the first failure. Many stops after the second. But Jack Ma, he tried again. He refused to accept that failure was the end. Rejections in life. After finally graduating, Jack Ma searched for jobs. But rejection followed him everywhere. He applied for more than 30 jobs. He tried to become a police officer. Rejected. He applied to work at KFC. 24 people applied. 23 were hired. Only one was rejected. That one was Jack Ma. Can you imagine how painful that must have been? Most people would lose hope. Most would feel they are not good enough. But Jack Ma didn't stop. Instead, he turned rejection into fuel, vision for the future. In the mid-1990s, when the internet was almost unknown in China, Jack Ma saw something no one else saw, the future. He believed the internet would change business forever. But when he shared his idea, people laughed. His friends thought he was crazy. Investors refused to believe him. Yet, Jack Ma held on to one simple rule: never give up. He said, "Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." Building Alibaba. With a group of friends, Jack Ma started Alibaba in his small apartment. There was no money, no connections, no big investors, only belief and teamwork. In the early days, Alibaba struggled. They had no profit. Many times the company was close to failure, but Jack Ma kept pushing forward. He encouraged his team with words of hope. He reminded them that success takes time, and those who never quit will always find a way. Step by step, Alibaba grew. What started as a small website became a global company. Today, Alibaba is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and Jack Ma is recognized as one of the greatest entrepreneurs in the world. Lessons from Jack Ma. So what can we learn from his journey? Failure is not the end. Jack Ma failed more times than most people could endure. But every failure became a lesson. Rejection is redirection. Every no he heard pushed him closer to the right opportunity. Vision is power. He saw what others could not see, and he believed in it. Never give up. His greatest rule, because quitting is the only real failure. Jack Ma's rule for success. Jack Ma says, if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. This is his one rule for success: persistence. No matter how hard the journey becomes, no matter how many times the world tells you no, you must keep moving forward. Message to you. So what about you? Maybe you have failed in exams. Maybe you have faced rejection in jobs.Maybe your dreams look impossible right now. Remember Jack Ma's story. If he can rise from rejection after rejection, so can you. If he can turn failure into success, so can you. Life will test you. People will doubt you. The world will tell you that you cannot succeed. But if you keep believing, keep learning, and never give up, success will come. So today, make a promise to yourself. No matter how many times you fail, you will rise again. No matter how many doors close, you will knock again or build your own door. Because your story is not over. Your best chapter has not even started yet. Jack Ma's journey proves one powerful truth. Failure is not your enemy. Giving up is. So, never give up. And one day, your story will inspire the world.